When you've just joined the trucking industry, it can feel like there's a lot of tips and tricks that you aren't told about. A product asked most frequently about is the ratchet strap. What are they? How many types are there? How do you use them? They can be rather tricky, and even haulers who have been on the road for a while can incorrectly use a ratchet strap. Let's go through the 4 most common ratchet strap fails. Pro tip: remember to always pull the webbing through the front of the ratchet. A common mistake flatbedders make when setting up the ratchet is not pulling all of the excess webbing through. This can and will jam the ratchet before the webbing is even tight around your cargo. How do you fix this first fail? Pull all of the excess webbing through the ratchet, so when you tighten the strap, it won't get jammed. When using a flat hook for the first time, truckers may hook them to the rub rail incorrectly. Hook the flat hook upside down on the inside of the rail and let the webbing rest over it to keep it from popping off during transit. Let gravity do the hard work for you. New flatbedders may not properly store any excess webbing before tightening the ratchet. To reduce risk of the strap becoming loose and flapping in the wind, use the Mytee Products loop in the strap to store excess. Remember, before you tighten the ratchet, leave some slack so you can still open the loop and place the excess webbing inside. When you tighten the ratchet, it will tighten around the webbing and keep it in place. Most truckers may not even know that they are incorrectly tossing their straps over their trailer or cargo. The first step to properly tossing your strap is to roll the strap up tight and then cradle it in loose, excess webbing. Keep your index finger on the webbing. Throw underhand, not overhand. Never throw the hook end fitting. You never know who or what is standing on the other side of your cargo. Thanks for watching. For more trucking tips, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website. Haul safe and earn more with Mytee Products.